Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 4, and today we are going to look at one of free tools using which we can do the coding, right? So I looked up on the market, and these are the best tools available in the market using which we can do our jQuery coding. So one of them is Notepad++, Brackets, Sublime Text, Coffee Cup, NetBeans, Visual Studio, Web Matrix, and many other more. So there are a lot of tools that are available in the market, and in my case I use Visual Studio, alright, because I work mostly in that. So anyways, I'm giving you a link to download these tools. Okay, so Notepad++, then this is a link for Sublime Text, Coffee Cup, Brackets. Alright, so you can try these tools, try mix and match and see whichever you feel you're comfortable with, right, and use accordingly. Now after doing more research, I found there are also the online sorry, the code editors are also available using which you can write your jQuery code. Okay, so these are one of the 4 best I found. One is Live Weave, JSBin, Fiddle, and the Plunker. Now let's have a look at them. So if you look at the Live Weave, you can see it has a 4 section. Section number 1, section number 2. Okay, what happened here? Okay, section number 2, section number 3, and section number 4. So the section number 1 on my left hand side is the playground for an HTML. Okay, at bottom you can see this is a playground for my CSS. I write down my CSS here. This is the playground for my JavaScript, and this is the result window. So let's try. Okay, so you can see at live the results gets updated. So this is how the online editor works. So the same thing you can see in JSBin, but over here the extra CSS window is given. In JSBin it is not there. It's simply the HTML, JavaScript, and live result. So if I come here and I say hello Harry, so you can see on right hand side it gets updated right away. Same goes with the Fiddle, and same goes with the Plunker, and they have their plus and minus. They have their way of some of the tools like Live Weave. They give you a facility using which you can add a lot of things like these library whichever you want. In our case I wanted jQuery, so I added the jQuery, so which is right here. Alright, so you got the idea, right? So we have the online tools and we have the offline tools to work with jQuery. 95% of the time people use the offline tools like the Eclipse, the Visual Studio to do their coding, right? And this online tool is mostly used for testing, for debugging, like if some piece of code is not working, if they want to verify. So this is how they come here. And the last option is the presentation, which I'm doing right now here. So if I want to do any demonstration, so this is a best tool for me to to present you how the jQuery and everything works, right? So I hope this helps. Up next we are going to look at okay, so up next we are going to download the jQuery, and we gonna start adding the jQuery to our project, and then we're gonna test if jQuery is working or not. So I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.